2K kids charge a battery in seconds. 90s kids? We build the charger with our own hands. They say time changes everything. But some things never change, the simple need to bring a dead battery back to life. Today, we'll see how two generations solve the same problem. 2K kids versus 90s kids. Different eras, different speeds, different methods. But the joy of learning is the same. Life moves fast for 2K kids. Why spend time when you can plug and go? Snap the clips, positive to positive, negative to negative. And in seconds, the battery starts charging. No soldering, no calculations, no mess. Just instant power 2K kids. If this brings back your childhood memories of easy solutions, hit like and subscribe to show your support. But the 90s kids, we didn't have shortcuts and patience. 90s kids. Comment below what you studied and what you're doing now. And remember your classmates by sharing this video. RK kids, don't go anywhere. Stick around and see how we did it in the 90s. It's slower, messier, but way cooler. And 90s kids, don't worry. We still love our speed. We build our own bridge rectifier. This isn't just charging. It's a memory, the smell of solder, the hum of the transformer, the thrill of connecting wires. That bridge rectifier, that's our playground, 4 diodes. Working together? To convert a C into DC, the capacitor smooths the voltage, making it perfect for the battery. No plastic casing, no shortcuts, just hands-on learning. And childhood pride, imagination, 2K kids got speed. 90s kids got knowledge, different methods, different journeys. Same spark of curiosity. If you love reliving your childhood through experiments, subscribe and join the family of 90s and 2K kids. Before connecting to the battery, let's test the output with a 12 volts LED to make sure it's working. Connect the red wire to the positive terminal and the black wire to the negative terminal of the battery, positive to positive. Negative to negative, and yes, the battery starts charging. Technology evolves, but the memories of learning never fade. Are you a 90s kid or a 2K kid? Subscribe and join our journey from 90s to 2K, exploring the world of technology.